Hello, this is Cooking with Mike B again. It's still Wednesday the 29th. I don't know why I'm making another video, but look at how big these snowflakes are. I don't know if I'm going to post all 5 of these videos I made today. Yeah, I probably will because I got to free up memory on my SD card, so I'm going to have to upload these later. Oh man, look at all of this. I'm covered again. I'm not even out here a minute and I'm covered. Oh my God, look at all this snow. Wow. All right. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna upload these in a little bit, and yeah. So, okay, y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching.